In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a website in VLC Media Player step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to watch online videos directly inside VLC instead of your browser, or if you want better playback controls, fewer ads, or more stability when streaming. This method works for many online video streams, including direct video links and supported platforms. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future software tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the VLC icon on your desktop, searching for VLC in the Start menu on Windows, or opening it from Applications on Mac OS or Linux. Once VLC is open, you don't need to play anything yet. Just make sure the main player window is visible and ready. Next, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Navigate to the website that has the video you want to watch. For example, this could be a YouTube video, a live stream page, or any site that provides a direct video stream. Once the video page loads, start the video if needed so the stream is active. Now, right-click directly on the video player. From the menu that appears, look for an option that says Copy Video URL, Copy Link Address, or something similar depending on the website and browser you're using. Click that option to copy the video's direct stream link to your clipboard. This link is what VLC will use to open and play the online video. After copying the link, go back to VLC Media Player. At the top of the VLC window, click on Media if you're on Windows or Linux, or File if you're on Mac OS. From the drop-down menu, select Open Network Stream. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on Mac OS to open it faster. A new window will appear asking you to enter a network URL. In the field that says, Please enter a network URL, paste the link you copied earlier by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Double-check that the entire URL is pasted correctly with no missing characters or extra spaces. Once the link is in place, click the play button at the bottom of the window. VLC will start buffering the stream, and after a few seconds, the online video should begin playing directly inside VLC Media Player. You can now use VLC's controls to pause, rewind, adjust playback speed, or change audio and video settings just like you would with a local media file. If the video doesn't play right away, give it a moment, or try copying the link again to make sure it's correct. And that's it. You've successfully opened a website video in VLC Media Player using a network stream. This is a great way to watch videos with more control and flexibility. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.